Which Wi-Fi booster for your RV actually works? Simple question, but to find the real answers, you've got to dig a bit deeper. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can keep you connected no matter where your adventures take you. Product number 1: TP-Link AC 1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Let's kick things off with the TP-Link AC 1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Priced at just $22.99, this little device caught my eye with its impressive specs for the price. If you want solid coverage in your RV without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This extender offers a total bandwidth of 1.2 Gbps, with up to 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 300 Mbps on 4 GHz. That means you can stream your favorite shows or video call friends while on the road without stressing about slow internet. And it can handle up to 32 devices, perfect for families or friends. Now, some people complained about setup being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, it's pretty straightforward. If you're not tech savvy, it might take a few minutes, but it's still manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution to extend your Wi-Fi in your RV. Skip this one if you're looking for something that boosts speed rather than just coverage. For the price, you're getting good value for money. Product number 2: TP-Link AC 1900 Range Extender RE550. Next up is the TP-Link AC 1900 Range Extender RE550, which comes in at $49.99. What stood out to me here was the blend of powerful performance and extensive coverage. If maximizing your internet reach is a priority, this one might grab your attention. With coverage of up to 2100 SQ/ft, it's ideal for larger RVs or if you find yourself often parked in remote areas. This device handles up to 32 devices seamlessly, so everyone can get their share of the Wi-Fi without a hitch. However, some users noted that it doesn't significantly increase speeds, especially if your original internet connection is slow. But here's my take. If your priority is consistent coverage, this device excels and the speed limitation is less of a concern. This is perfect for you if you often have multiple devices connected in your RV. Skip this if you need a speed monster rather than just extended coverage. Given its performance, it's a solid investment. Product number 3: TP-Link AX 3000 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender. The TP-Link AX 3000 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender is next, and it's a bit pricier at $79.99, but offers some fantastic features. What caught my attention was its Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, which can make a difference for RVers seeking the latest tech. With speeds of up to 2404 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 574 Mbps on the 4 GHz band, this extender is fantastic for streaming 4K content or gaming on the road. It covers up to 2400 SQ/ft, ensuring that you can get a solid signal throughout your RV. Plus, it supports up to 64 devices, perfect for larger gatherings. But honestly, if you're willing to invest a little time, the long-term benefits of having the latest Wi-Fi technology can be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want to future-proof your RV's internet setup with the latest tech. Skip it if you're not ready to invest in Wi-Fi 6 features. With all you're getting, it's still a great value. Product number 4: TP-Link RE615X AX 1800 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender. Coming in at $69.99, the TP-Link RE615X AX 1800 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender is another solid choice. This one caught my eye because it hits that sweet spot of performance and price. If you're looking to upgrade your Wi-Fi experience while on the road, definitely check this out. And connects with up to 64 devices. That means everyone in your RV can jump online without fighting for bandwidth, which is pretty impressive. Now, some users mentioned that it doesn't support the 6 GHz band, which might be a drawback for some. But I'd argue that for most RVers, the 5 GHz and 4 GHz bands are sufficient, so it's not a deal breaker for everyone. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly Wi-Fi 6 option. Skip it if you absolutely need the 6 GHz band. Given its features, it's a good value for what you get. Product number 5, ROQRL Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster. Lastly, we have the ROQRL Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster priced at $49.99. What really caught my attention was its impressive range. It claims to cover up to 10,000 SQ/ft. That's a game changer for those larger RVs or if you're parked in wide open spaces. This device offers up to 1200 Mbps and supports dual band frequencies. With its 4 high-performance antennas, it aims to eliminate those dead spots you might have experienced in the past. Plus, it has multiple operation modes, which adds versatility to how you can use it. However, I did find some users noting that the setup could be a bit finicky. But honestly, if you take the time to follow the instructions, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you have a big RV or need extensive coverage while camping. Skip it if you're looking for a high-speed powerhouse rather than extensive range. For the price, it offers solid value. So there you have it, 5 solid Wi-Fi boosters for your RV. The TP-Link AC1200 is perfect for affordability, while the AC1900 offers a bit more power. If you want the latest tech, the AX3000 and RE615X have you covered, and the ROQRL is great for those needing extensive coverage. Whichever you choose, you'll be better connected on your travels.